Yeah, man. Can we get to some questions?
Let's do it.
Jim, you got a couple more minutes? You could take some questions.
I'm here. Let's do it.
All
right. Who's this? Stefan, we coming to you. Unmute yourself. You've been unmuted.
Yo, how you guys doing? Can you hear me?
Doing great.
Great. How are you?
What's going on?
I'm good, man. Thank you guys so much for what you're doing. I really appreciate it. I just had a quick question. Buckling down, trying to figure things out. And for Ian or Troy, I need help on studying charts. Like how do you look at it? Like what should I look at when I'm looking at the charts every day? Like how do you suggest I study these things, or what should I look for in particular? What do you
what indicator are you using to determine when you get into the market?
Which indicator? So right now I'm actually when I'm not on the platform, I'll just pull up bar chart, and then I'll use Fibonacci, and I'll put that in.
If you're looking at Fibonacci, go to the 5-year month. I need you to look at 200 stocks, and then mark off every area over the 5-year month that is at the 23.6 or 50%. So when it's at the 50% line, it means it's lost half the value. If you've seen that it's been going up for 5 years and it drops down 50%, that is a decent buy area. So mark off all those levels, and then if you go back over a 10-year period, you want to see how often, when it drops down 50%, how often does it go up? Of course, the past doesn't always guarantee what's going to happen in the future, but the correlation and probability is very high. But you have to get reps in. It depends on if you want to be rich from this or not. But if you do, I would at minimum look at 500 stocks or assets a month with your setup and be good.
Yeah, on my chart, obviously I start with my Bollinger Bands, and I use moving day averages. So I have the 20, I have the 50, I have the 100, I have the 200, just to get a sense of what it's looking like, what the stock has done. And then the Bollinger Bands is obviously I look for consolidation. And so if I see contraction, I know that, all right, this stock has a chance to either appreciate or depreciate based on the company. And that's it. And candles, I use the candlesticks. That was something that I didn't do originally. And then I watched Ian, and shout out to my boy Francis. But I started learning the candlesticks and really understanding how they move and all the signals that come with it, the arm and shoulders. Like those are things I didn't know a year ago, but like I said, I'm doing the homework every day. So that's what my charts look like.
Yeah, but put the time in. I don't know how much you're looking, but if you're not looking at least 2 to 3 hours a day, you're not going to have edge. And also you can go through previous episodes because there's a dope ass indicator.
Yeah, there's a bunch of episodes.
Yeah.
Fact.
Okay, bet. Yeah, I'm doing this every day. So that's the goal. So I'm on it. I appreciate it.
That's it.
I appreciate you.
Appreciate it.
All right, thank you.
Shout out to Vern's opinion on Super Chat. He said he has 45,000 in Capo coins.
Hey.
Wow.
Eden, we coming to you. Unmute yourself. You've been unmuted. What's up? You must have went to a meet and greet. Oh, Eden, no fridge breaks. You know that.
Where can they buy Capo coin?
Right now, if you have Ethereum, you can go on to Zap Theory and purchase it off Zap Theory. Or you can go to Zap Theory and they tell you exactly how to purchase it. My plan is with the actual Capo coin is you have a certain amount of coins that want to reach half of it. We're actually going to go live like on Coinbase and all them other platforms, so the public can start actually acquiring Capo coins, put us in a safe space for the coins at that point and shit like that. But I figure once I get to halfway depleted and things like that, people will know that this is a real thing moving forward, and this will help build, especially from the culture standpoint. I'll be able to market and promote heavy when
Jim, you got the window open?
Oh, I think
that's Eden.
Ian, that's you?
Hey, yeah, that's me. Just wanted to hear Jim Joe say what he was going to say. But I had a question about entering the crypto space. When's a good buy-in to get in? Because everything seems to be at an all-time highs everywhere across the board. What's a good time to get in?
Which one are you looking at?
Bitcoin, Ethereum.
I gave you Bitcoin tonight. If you go hit the replay,
okay,
I'll make you very happy. Ethereum, give me to next week and I'll give you those prices. If you guys want to do a trade on entries, I got you.
Shout out to my boy MG, the mortgage guy. I mean,
Matt, what up?
time in the market is more important than time in the market. Of course,
Absolutely.
Ian's a genius when it comes to reading stocks, but it's like double dutch, man. At a certain point, you just got to get in. You're never going to get in. It's like having a kid. It's like saying, when's a good time to have a kid? Never.
When you got money,
Honestly. But I mean, when you have it, it's like the best thing that happened to you. But
what if you have it? Yeah.
you're waiting, you're going to be waiting your whole entire life. I told Matt to get into Ethereum 2 months ago after our group chat called EYL University. And that was his first crypto purchase ever. $1,400. And today he texted me like, yo, damn, I should have put in more. It's $3,400. So
it's always the case though. But whenever you win, you never put in enough.
Yeah.
The crypto space is still early. We talked about that last week with Mike Novogratz. It's only a half of 1% of world currency right now, I think. So he was saying, like, what if it gets to 2%? That's like 4-time increase. But that's a tremendous jump in the market cap. So I say that to say, it's good to recharge. It's good to try to find the right price point, but that's why dollar cost averaging is important. You put a little bit in,
about to do it.
a little bit more in, but it's difficult to really put money in at the exact perfect moment at anything, whether it's stocks, crypto, anything. But of course, you never want to buy at all-time highs, but analysis paralysis can really kill your situation.
Yeah.
Keep waiting, and you're gonna be waiting for your entire life.
And for those of you looking at Grayscale Bitcoin, GBTC, 2886 is a pretty good area to enter. I'm not your financial advisor. Trading and investing has considerable risks. If this is your last dollar, don't do it. But 2886 is a solid area to be able to get in.